It's a sign. This is my favorite one. Inexpensive is good. It happened so fast. So here we are again, and we're gonna have another fun video. Today it's all about printing or transferring photos or images, text or graphics onto another surface like wood or canvas. It's not just today, it's always about transferring photos. And we're going to do it using a really cool method. We're going to use paper backing. Paper backing is the paper, the shiny paper in the back of stickers or mailing labels and even contact sheet from the dollar store. So we're using supplies that are easy to find and are quite inexpensive. Inexpensive is good. So there are actually two ways to use this easy transfer method. And today we will see both. Both of these methods are very easy to do and you can choose which one you prefer. Okay, so let's start. This transfer method works on many different surfaces like wood, canvas, cotton fabric, heavy canvas, and you can even transfer images to your journal. So let's quickly see what you can use for this process. You can use the backing paper of shipping labels, laminating sheets, the back of a transfer paper, and yes, you can even use the back of a contact paper from the dollar store. So the first method we're going to do actually uses heat to transfer the photo. So basically all we need is a standard flat iron. But instead of pressing our clothes, we're going to use it to transfer our image. So first, let's print our image. If you choose something like the back of a contact paper or thin mailing label paper, it's a good idea to support it with a printer paper or else it might jam your printer. So after you remove the labels, use a glue stick to secure the paper backing to the printer paper. I'm going to use the back of a laminating sheet. So this paper backing is quite sturdy. And so I will run it through my printer without attaching it to a printer paper. And by the way, instead of throwing away the clear laminating sheet, I'm going to place it over a photo I have and use it in another project. Okay, so now it's important to print on the shiny, waxy side of the paper backing. And we're going to print a mirror image with a laser printer. So here it is. I printed a reverse graphic and text, which I would like to make into a sign. If I like it, it will be for the door to my studio. Okay, so now I place my graphic face down onto the wood and I tape it down with a removable tape on one side. And if you like this process, you're going to love my book, the Mixed Media Photography book. Check it out, it's on Amazon. So in order to protect the paper backing, I cover it with fabric. You can also use parchment paper or even an old shirt. And now it's time to use the iron. I set the iron to high heat. It's number 6 on mine. Not sure if all irons are similar. I use the handle of my scissors to burnish the back and help the image to transfer. Looking good. But this side needs a little more work. Okay, and now the great reveal. I think it came out great. It's a sign. For the second paper backing method we're going to do today, we need acrylic medium. We can use any acrylic medium, and I'm going to use soft gel. You can use any other acrylic medium you have, or even glue. So it's pretty versatile. It's really nice. Most of the supplies are easy to find and also inexpensive. So this time I'm going to transfer an actual photo which I already printed on the paper backing. And I'm going to transfer it to this piece of craft wood. And like I mentioned before, I'm using soft gel medium. And again, you can use any other acrylic medium you have. And if you like this video, it will be great if you can like it and subscribe. I make this type of videos every week and you don't want to miss one. Come back to visit me. Now spread a good amount of the medium over the surface. Now place the photo face down onto the wet surface. Smooth it down with your hands and again use the handle of your scissors to press and burnish the photo. It's a good idea to now let the transfer dry for a few hours, but if you don't have time, you can use a hair dryer on low settings. But I really think the transfer works better if you just let it completely air dry. Burnish it a little more to ensure a good transfer. And I think the transfer is now ready. So let's check it out. I really love the way it turned out. I had so much fun today. I really enjoyed this process and I hope you enjoyed the video too. Let me know. Let me know if you enjoyed this video. And if you didn't, don't let me know. Let me know in the comments below which one of these methods you prefer. And let me know if you're gonna give it a try. I prefer the one that uses heat, the one with the iron, because it's so fast and it's instant. And it's great. Now I have a new sign for my door. And we're going to use it, and we're going to do it using, that's a sign. This is not easy to say. It's just so quick and, but instead of thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. And if you'd like to see another video like this one, click here, right here.